When summer hits Coppell, TX, the temperatures soar and air conditioners work overtime. While your HVAC system is essential, one of the most overlooked upgrades for improving comfort and reducing utility costs is energy-efficient windows. With modern advancements in window technology, replacing outdated or single-pane windows can make a significant difference, especially during those long, hot Texas summers. If you're a Coppell homeowner looking to increase indoor comfort and save money, here's why energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest investments you can make. The challenge of Coppell's summer heat. Coppell summers are no joke. Temperatures regularly climb into the 90s and 100s, and the Texas sun can be relentless. Older or inefficient windows allow that heat to transfer directly into your home, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder to keep the interior cool. This not only strains your HVAC unit but also causes spikes in your electricity bills. Energy-efficient windows act as a barrier against that heat, helping your home stay cooler naturally. What makes a window energy efficient? Not all windows are created equal. Energy-efficient windows include several design features and materials that minimize heat transfer and maximize indoor temperature control. Key components include low emissivity glass. A thin, invisible coating on the glass reflects heat while allowing light in. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes of glass separated by insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, reduce the transfer of heat. Gas fills. Inert gases between panes add insulation and slow down heat movement. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames resist heat better than traditional aluminum and won't warp in extreme heat. UV protection. Many energy-efficient windows block up to 90 to 95% of harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, floors, and artwork from sun damage. Benefits for Coppell homeowners: lower cooling costs. By reducing the amount of heat that enters your home, energy-efficient windows lessen the burden on your air conditioning system. This translates to lower monthly energy bills, especially important during high-demand summer months. Improved indoor comfort. No more hot spots near windows or rooms that feel significantly warmer than others. Energy-efficient windows keep your indoor temperatures more consistent and comfortable throughout the home. Increased home value. Today's buyers prioritize energy savings and comfort. Investing in modern, efficient windows enhances your home's resale appeal and can contribute to a higher property value in Coppell's competitive real estate market. Noise reduction. The same multi-pane design that insulates your home from heat also helps reduce outdoor noise. Whether you live near a busy street or have noisy neighbors, energy-efficient windows can make your home feel more peaceful. Environmental impact. Using less energy to cool your home reduces your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows support a greener, more sustainable lifestyle, aligning with the growing eco-conscious movement in Texas suburbs. When should you replace your windows? You might not need to wait for your windows to show visible signs of damage to justify an upgrade. Consider energy-efficient window replacement if your windows are single pane or more than 15 to 20 years old. You notice drafts or condensation between window pane. You experience high summer energy bills despite good insulation. Your windows feel hot to the touch during the day. A professional window assessment can help determine how much energy you could save with new installations. Final thoughts for Coppell homeowners: where heat is a daily challenge in summer, energy-efficient windows are more than a luxury. They're a smart, practical solution. From cutting energy costs and improving comfort to protecting your interiors and increasing your home's value, the benefits of upgrading are hard to ignore. If you're ready to beat the heat and enhance your home's performance, consider consulting with a trusted Coppell window replacement expert to explore your energy-efficient options.